Road signs make up a major part of the DMV test, and mastering these 50 hardest U.S. road signs boosts your chances of passing. Let's go. Guess this road sign. A. Stop sign ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. Good call. It is the yield sign ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. Well spotted. It is the do not enter sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. School crosswalk ahead. B. School zone. Perfect. It is the school zone sign. What is this road sign? A. Traffic light ahead. B. Traffic signal photo enforced. Exactly. It is the traffic light ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit. Correct. It is the speed limit ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. School bus stop ahead. B. Bus station. Right. It is the bus station sign. Guess this road sign. A. Traffic control flagger ahead. B. Flagger ahead. Correct. It is the flagger ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Left turn only. B. Curve left. Good observation. It is the left turn only sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Handicapped. B. Handicapped accessible. Correct. It is the handicapped accessible sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Railway crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing. Crossbuck. Perfect. It is the railway crossing ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Keep right of obstacles. B. Keep right. Right. It is the keep right sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Motorcycle. Plaque. Good catch. It is the bike lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Rumble strips. B. Uneven surface. Correct. It is the uneven surface sign. Which road sign is this? A. Crosswind sign. B. Dangerous crosswinds. Correct. It is the crosswind sign. Guess this road sign. A. Slow moving vehicle. B. Steep grade hill percentage. Right. It is the steep grade hill percentage sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Tourist information. B. Library. Correct. It is the tourist information sign. Guess this road sign. A. Keep left of obstacles. B. Keep left. Great. It is the keep left sign. What is this road sign? A. Reverse curve left. B. Reverse turn left. Exactly. It is the reverse turn left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic merging from right. B. Added right lane. Well spotted. It is traffic merging from right. Guess this road sign. A. Truck route sign. B. Truck entrance. Correct. It is the truck entrance sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. No snowmobiles. B. No all-terrain vehicles. Perfect. It is no snowmobiles. Identify this road sign. A. Emergency vehicle. B. Slow-moving vehicles. Right. It is the emergency vehicle sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Correct. It is the curve right sign. Guess this road sign. A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. Perfect. It is narrow two-way traffic. Identify this traffic sign. A. Turn left. B. Curve left. Right. It is the turn left sign. Guess this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No right turn for trucks. Exactly. It is no right turn for trucks. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle route. Correct. It is the bicycle route sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Electric vehicle charging. B. Alternative fuel. CNG. Well spotted. It is electric vehicle charging. What is this road sign? A. Detour ahead. B. Flagger ahead. Right. It is the detour ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Dip sign. Correct. It is the dip sign. Guess this road sign. A. Rough pavement ahead. B. Right shoulder drop-off ahead. Perfect. It is the rough pavement ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Ramp speed advisory. B. Exit speed. Exactly. It is the exit speed sign. Guess this road sign. A. Chevron left. B. Chevron right. Correct? It is the chevron left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Vehicle ferry terminal. B. Passenger only ferry terminal. Great. It is the passenger only ferry terminal sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Tow-away zone. B. Towed caravans prohibited. Excellent. It is the tow-away zone sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Trailer camping. B. Camping. Right. It is the camping sign. Identify this road sign. A. No dangerous goods. B. Hazardous material prohibited. Perfect! It is the hazardous material prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. Offset side roads. B. Double side roads, right. Exactly. It is the offset side roads sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Combination junction, 2 route signs. B. Pull through. Correct. It is the pull-through sign. Which road sign is this? A. Low ground clearance crossing. B. Railway crossing ahead. Right. It is the low ground clearance crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Do not pass stopped trains. Right? It is the Do not pass stopped trains sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Skaters permitted. B. Skier crossing. Perfect. It is the skaters permitted sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Curve with crossroad, right. B. Curve with tangent from side right. Right? It is the curve with tangent from side right sign. What is this road sign? A. Divided highway crossing, T intersection. B. Divided highway crossing. Correct. It is the divided highway crossing sign. Identify this road sign. A. Roundabout circulation, plaque. B. Roundabout. Perfect. It is the roundabout circulation plaque sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Curve with crossroad, right. B. Curve with tangent right. Exactly. It is the curve with crossroad right sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve with side road right. B. Reverse curve with side road right. Well spotted. It is the reverse curve with side road right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No hitchhiking. B. No stopping. Correct. It is the no hitchhiking sign. Guess this road sign. A. Crossroads with parallel tracks, left. B. Side road with tracks, left. Right. It is the crossroads with parallel tracks, left sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1-lane opposite. B. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 lanes opposite. Perfect. It is the two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 lanes opposite sign. Well done making it to the end. If you want more road signs, guides, tips, and study materials, subscribe now so that you don't miss out. Watch these videos to keep learning. See you in the next video.